Today is 7th November 2025, and next month on today's day, okay, next month on this day we'll be solving ALET ke PYQs because ALET is also approaching. Okay, CLAT is so near, like less than 20 days left, I think. No, 25 days left. It's okay. हर जगह इन्फ्लेट करके बताते हैं. And I feel pretty confident. However, I've been inconsistent about my preparation, and सपने देखे थे, बहुत ज़्यादा सपने देखे थे, एनालिस्ट जाएंगे, ये करेंगे. नाउ आई स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट विच कॉलेज आई गेट इन टू एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इट विल ओनली add to the anxiety and only add to the hatred that I have for myself because I have been inconsistent. I have had plenty of time since, like, my parents had got me the subscription of a very premium coaching institute in December itself. December in the sense December 2024 when I was in class 11th. So that time my priorities were different. So this just how fast the night changes. 11th में मेरे प्रायोरिटीज़ डिफरेंट थे कि मेरे को लगा था कि आई विल स्कोर गुड इन 11th के फाइनल्स बिकॉज I don't know, I just wanted to top my class and I did top my class, but it did not have any effect. एक दो दिन का validation मिला था बस, and after that, like, life came to normal. So now I've come to understand my real goals, my real priorities. Thank God. Okay, so even after 11th K finals, when I've entered into class 12 maybe, I was studying. I went to school regularly, and it was not before August that it hit me कि oh my god, I'm doing nothing. Also, it is also not my fault because I had no direction. I did not know what to do. मैंने classes attend करी थी. I've done all of that shit, but then I did not know like कि घर पे बाकी time कैसे use करना है. So I used to study NCERT, history, school की पढ़ाई. I'm a humanities student. I have so स्कूल की पढ़ाई. But August में it hit me, and then I was scourging through the internet what to do, and I came across. I've been following Arya Bhanu Shekhawat उनका channel since like a lot of time, but then I saw कि मैम ने she's having her own mentorship session. So I took her mentorship session, and it was wonderful. I felt like, oh my god, I've seen direction, and like and then I joined ACE Legally, and like it transformed, my preparation transformed. It might sound like I'm like advertising ACE Legally at this point, but they did it so well. They did it so well. Ma'am, Sukun Bhaiya, and they have this thing like Clad Buddy. So my buddy, she's like, oh my god, she's like my best friend. So it's very fun to study in together because इससे पहले तो मेरे पास कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था. I did not know, and I used to be so naive. I used to solve only मेरे coaching के mocks, and I used to be done with it, and I did not used to analyze my mock. So I learned mock analysis after I joined ACE Legally. So you can understand how significant it has been for me. So that, and I also feel confident about my GK because of the sessions that ACE Legally has been conducting since like August. So बैकलॉग उतना है नहीं जीके का, जितना है इट इज़ स्टिल पॉसिबल टू कवर देम अप, मेरा पर्सनली. और QT, oh my god, there has been a shift in my mentality. Before, like जब initial days of the preparation, I felt like I will not attempt QT, but उसके बाद मेरे को पता चला कि QT नहीं attempt करके किसी का नहीं हुआ है कहीं भी, और मुझे tier 1 tier 2 ही चाहिए. So is a little, oh my god, हाँ. So tier 1 tier 2 किसी का नहीं निकला है without QT, so I will solve QT, and I've taken it upon myself to solve QT. And also again ACE Legally conducts different classes, not classes actually, sectional tests for QT, wherein like पहले one-on-one हुआ करता था because there was a lot of time. Right now we are in a time crunch, so it's like 4-5 लोगों का एक साथ ही होता है. So जब पहले one-on-one होता था, you used to find out कि which concept of yours is not so strong, and you can just strengthen it because like bhaiya is such a good teacher. Okay, और क्या था? Legal reasoning, logical reasoning. I mean CR or RC. RC has I always have RC as like a strength, and legal is fine. Legal is easy, not easy. Just you just need to manage your time properly, or and sometimes there are trap questions. Otherwise, I think legal is still good, very good. And logical, the catch is logical. I don't I logical has always been like something just I can't wrap my head around. I mean, it's fine. I get the concepts, but then solve करने जाती हूँ, so I get a little. I have no word to articulate what happens to me when I try to solve CR. However, I think I've tamed that thing. I started practicing Wiley. I'm just, I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's about my um, journal. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. If you're watching and you're an aspirant, I hope you clear too, and I hope I clear too. Okay, so this is my first attempt, and if I clear, that's really nice. Otherwise, I guess I have to take a drop because I think this is very much my cup of tea. Very much my cup of tea. Can't wait to see you guys in law school. Bye.